I don't think this is a very good attempt at a paper aeroplane. I don't think this is going to fly very well. It's a bit uneven. I mean, look at my... That's not symmetrical. I've never been very good at making paper aeroplanes. Shall we see if it flies? I'm going to throw this from behind the camera. And in fact, I'm going to throw it over the camera and we'll see how far it goes, okay? 1, 2, 3. Wow. That did not go straight. Or very far. Oh, that went up and dive bombed. It's definitely not a good plane. I've realised, look at that. Look at the difference. I don't know if you can see that. That wing is higher than that wing. That can't be helping. It's a bad paper aeroplane. Let's try again. I only know one way to make a paper aeroplane, and that is to create this fold here first. So let's make sure those line up. Let's fold it up here. It's looking a lot more symmetrical this time. I mean, it looks snazzy, but will it fly? In conclusion, I am terrible at making paper aeroplanes, which I knew before I started, but this has confirmed it. I make ones that look quite snazzy, but can't fly. Oh well, happy paper aeroplane day. Hope yours fly better than mine. I'll see you again for another festivity. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, then do hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all that jazz. And I will hopefully see you again tomorrow for another video, another festivity, something else to celebrate that's not bloody paper aeroplanes.